You can start anytime because you can crop it. Start.
Okay, welcome to Miss Miller's ELA 8th grade language arts class. Right now what we're doing is learning centers, and we're grouped by activity. So we have 5 different groups. This first group is continuing the instructional activity. Ms. Cooper is teaching them about the concept of compare and contrast. So what they're doing is they're picking different topics as a group and they're comparing and contrasting them. So now we're going to move on to the next group. Group B is doing reading comprehension. Right now what they're doing, they're answering chapter 5 questions as a group. As you can see, they're not talking, they're just answering the questions, and Miss Miller, as well as the co-teacher, is coming by and making sure that any questions they have are being answered. Okay. Now we're moving on to Group C. Group C is the writing prompt group. Right now, the writing prompt group they're writing a prompt from their do now. They're continuing the prompt, and everything is geared towards the novel that they're reading in class called The Giver. So they're staying on topic, and they're able to learn about that because they're getting quizzes and tests from Miss Miller on the book. So now we're moving on to Group D. Group D is reading the novel The Giver out loud, working on reading fluency, and this kind of ties in as well to reading comprehension. Eventually they'll rotate and they can be in the reading comprehension group answering questions.
Alone in his sleeping room, prepared for bed, Jonas opened his door at last.
And then this is the last group. The last group is they're working on the vocabulary words that Miss Miller gives her class. They have one student who has the list and asking the other students the questions. This group can also be used as a study group for anything that Miss Miller feels needs to be reinforced or gone over in class that maybe some students were not really understanding. This is also a group that is a talking group, and they're not really writing anything down because they're using different learning styles throughout the classroom to help them to understand the topics that are being presented. And that's all we have for you. It's the same group. All right, thank you.